Anga mano dong ti uno danga mano UPE primary kare kere USC ubedo senior ne.
And we are even the Ministry of Education is introducing a new curriculum.
Ministry amela opuonyere tia donyo kare kere ichwil me kireme kwana nyen.
Which has got an element of practical work.
Ametia kello giname gudu kom diro kere query ame omi ametia ba teaching ame watu ponyo dakani.
Even in the colonial times, we used to do some of these things like these children are doing here, like carpentry and so on.
Na hekare ame muni bin ame do tia telo wanu timo ko di jamme mo tia tia timo kan bala carpentry gi wangu nyongi ame tia timer kan.
So therefore, please, if you appreciate what is happening here, go and spread it out in the primary schools and in the secondary schools.
Kai maru unu ginda metia timer kan ni. Wori nen unu ni ginnu enu timer chukul me primary kare kere me senior da.
Now, I have heard about expanding the hubs, and we shall study that. But for now, I'm going to set up a circle. Jenny Maricha has already done that.
Awinyo kwashu memnya yoka kapuonyere ni. Enti chawa ni waro timo sako. Ame state house controller kere timu merda dong. Omiyo tiyo kwani.
For the graduates per district.
Pijo ame tiyo kupuonyere district akia yelpe ba uti mwataye.
The zone is too far, so the circle will be at the district.
Kaka puonyere kani lacho twal so saku wuni abedi district boru kunasha.